Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila, and in this tutorial I've thought to show you how to knit the chest stitch, which is quite simple and easy for beginners. If you don't know this pattern, I'll show you how to do it in this video. It's very easy. Again, beginners are welcome. Even more experienced are also welcome to knit this stitch. So the needles are number 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 stitches are on my needle. The acrylic yarn, I have acrylic yarn for knitting, so 20 stitches. And don't forget, when you cast on, is after that so when you cast on, so the edge not to curl up. When you do garments, you know, pullovers or all sorts of things that you could do with this pattern, with a stitch, when you begin the row, you cast on the way you like it, the way others taught you, or whatever. But the first and the second row, you can knit with the front stitches on the right side and front stitches on the back, on the wrong side, and then the edge will not going to curl up, will not going to be misshapen. And after that, the third row, you can already start this pattern. You can start with 3 pearls. In this case, I start with 3 pearls. You can start with front stitches, it's all up to you. The first loop we do not need, so we start with 3 pearls. 1, 2, 3 pearls. Then when we see pearls, we need front stitches. 1 front stitch, 2 front stitches, 3 front stitches. Then we see 3 front stitches. We need it with 3 pearls. Then 3 front stitches, 3 pearls, 3 front stitches, and the last loop we always knit it with a pearl. So we do the second row. What we need to do is basically follow what we see in the second row. So we do not need the first loop, pass it on to the right needle. So we see 3 pearls, means we need to knit 3 pearls. So 1, 2, 3 pearls. We see 3 front stitches. We knit 1 front stitch, 2 front stitches, 3 front stitches, and then we need 3 pearls because we see 3 pearls. And then we need again 3 front stitches because we see 3 front stitches. That's how you knit the second row until the end. And the last one is always a purl stitch. So don't forget to mark your work, to put the the marker on the front of your work. So first we do not need, and then we see this is the third row. We see 3 pearls. We need 3 pearls. 1, 2, 3 pearls. We see 3 front stitches. 1, 2, 3 front stitches, 3 pearls, and again we repeat the same thing. Then we see 3 front stitches. We need them. 3 pearl stitches, 3 front stitches, and the last one is a pearl stitch. And this is the 4th row, which is the last row, and so we need 3 pearl stitches because we see 3. Now we see 3 front stitches, so we do 3 front stitches, 1, 2, 3 pearl stitches, and that's how we finish this row, is by following what's underneath the needle. So basically you look what is visible from the last few rows. So we turn the work, and then it's a 5th row. So this is the row which decides the change of this pattern, of this stitch. So you can see the front side because my marker is on the right, so we do not need the first loop. We see 3 pearl stitches, means we need to change now because we did 4 rows of this check pattern, check knit stitch. So we need to change. So we see 3 pearl stitches, means we need to change it to 3 front stitches. 1, 2, 3. We see 3 front stitches, then we change it to 3 pearl stitches. 1 pearl, 2 pearls, 3 pearls. We see pearls here, means it's front stitches. 1, 2, 3 front stitches, 3 pearl stitches. And on the 6th row, what do? You repeat everything from one row, first row, to the 4th row, and then you again need to change it on the 5th row with other contrasting pattern, which is, if it's not front stitch, means it's a pearl stitch. If it's not pearl stitch, then means front stitch, and it's as easy as that. And now this is the 2nd row of the pattern, so you see front stitches already, so you need front stitches, then you see pearl stitches, you need pearl stitches, and that's how you repeat 4 rows. And on the 5th row you change it and you do the first row on the 5th row, which doesn't exist. On the 5th row you already change the stitch to the contrasting stitch, which is the opposite stitch, pearl, front stitches. Basically, if it's not one, it's the other one that you need to knit. It's basically very easy and interesting ways of knitting this pattern. I've made a scarf with this pattern, which was very pretty, very long, very warm in winter, and it was a gift. It was in the red color This one is in light blue. It looks differently as well, but as you can see, it's two-sided. So on the back is the same stitch as on the front, and by blocking this piece you'd always see things a bit more arranged, more even in this yarn. And basically this is how you do this pattern, this stitch. So thank you very much for watching, subscribing and liking my videos. I fully appreciate your time and your patience to watch my videos. So thank you very much for absolutely everything. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking my advices. My stitch collection is huge, so I will be putting a lot on my channel. So stay tuned for some more stitches in crochet and knitting that I will upload on my channel. So please like my videos. So thank you very much for everything, and see you soon. Good luck in your projects, and see you soon. Bye.